Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into BizFilings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for BizFilings. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the login button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. This will direct you to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. Ensure that your password is entered correctly by checking for any typos. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once your username and password are entered, click on the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your login credentials. If the information is correct, you will be redirected to your BizFilings dashboard. If you encounter any errors, double-check your username and password. Make sure your caps lock is off and that you are using the correct keyboard layout. If you still experience issues, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. After successful login, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. You are now ready to manage your filings and services through BizFilings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.